Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. As you may probably know, Banggood are having their anniversary sale and I've already linked to their main activity pages. However, I think that the main attraction for us FPV flyers is actually here in this coupon list, which I'm just going to share with you. And there are a couple of very nice deals here, so you can check them out. For example, you can get the Larva X for $83, and I also spotted the rapid fire module for $125, and I'm going to release the video when the coupons are going to be valid. So you can see right now, for example, the coupon is not yet available when I'm trying to apply the coupon code for the iFlight Cinebee 4K, which I've also reviewed recently. And by the time this video is going to be up, the coupons are going to be valid, and I'm going to release the video actually an hour before the coupons are going to be valid, so you are going to get a head start. And the coupons are also limited in numbers. So for example, the coupon code for the Foxero Box 2, which lowers down the price for $100, is only available for 50 pieces. So I recommend that if you do want to get something, this is probably going to be the best time this year. I don't recommend to overspend, and if you don't really need something, I don't think that it's a good thing to get it because it's cheap, because it's probably going to be a waste. But if there is something that you're going to get, and you are going to get it in the next couple of weeks, let's say, this is probably going to be the best time for you to get it. I'm going to put a link down below to this list so you can check it out, and also to other Banggood promotions that they are currently having. So happy shopping, don't spend too much, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.